What's going on, you guys? So today I'm going to show you how to install a Trunnion upgrade on your factory rocker arms. So the first thing you're going to need to do is press the old bearing out of the rocker arm. Now this can be done in a regular vise. I'm using a hydraulic press because it makes it a lot easier. So I'm using a 15/16 socket here to set on the bottom of the rocker for the bearings to drop through, and then just using an extension, something that can pass through the center of the rocker here to press on. So we're going to extend this down a little until we get it lined up. There we go, bearings out. While you have these apart, it's a good idea to go through, clean them all up, make sure they're not dirty. They've been in an engine for a while. It's a good idea always to clean these up while you got them apart and out. Now to put them back together, I'm going to prep one side of the new Trunnion by putting a bearing and a C-clip on it. So we're going to take our new bearing, slide that on there. Grab one of the C-clips here. And put that on like that. Now, we're going to go back over to the press, and we're going to press this bearing into the rocker. I always like to use a little bit of high pressure lube on anything that's pressed. That way it doesn't mess up any of the contact surfaces or anything like that. You definitely don't want to stick them in dry. Always use lube. So we're using the same socket again on the bottom here. That one, when we press it in, it has room to come out there. So put that in like that. Just kind of line this up on there. Got one side pressed in, and now we are going to put the other bearing in it and press that down on there. So since this is already on there and C-clipped on, we don't need to worry about it having anything to pass through on there anymore. So we're just going to slide that bearing on, and I'm using a 5/8 socket because it fits over the Trunnion when we press it on. Now both the bearings are in. Final step after that is you got to put that last C-clip on there for the retainer. So we got our little C-clip here, and then just pop that on just like that. There you go. Trunnion upgrade for LS rockers. Simple as that. So that's going to be it for this one. Quick little video on doing bearing upgrades for your rockers. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Follow the builds along, and I will catch you guys later.